There are a number of differences in how soft tissue sarcomas are treated between the United States and Europe. For example, it seems like there's a lot more centralization of care here in Europe, where people go to expert centers more commonly than in the United States. It doesn't happen as often there. In terms of what's available to patients, I think there's good surgical expertise, for example, in both locations, good radiation. One thing we don't have in the United States, which is approved here in Europe, there are a couple of modalities. In particular, a limb perfusion is available in Europe and is not available in the US by virtue of not having the compound TNF to give to people in the US. And there's also not the use of hyperthermia, as is available at least in Germany and some other countries as well, which is available here in Europe and not so much used in the US. And then beyond that, there are certainly country by country differences in terms of which chemotherapy drugs and when they can be used. Each country in Europe, we've learned over the years, really is very different in terms of which compounds they can use for which patients. Some countries have more general availability of particular chemotherapy drugs, whereas other countries really stick to the actual approval for that compound. So whether you're conservative or liberal in terms of which compounds can be used, there's actually very big differences, not just between the US and Europe, but in between countries as well.